bole joint in Port Harcourt. So my sister is going back soon. My cousin, she's going back to Abuja. She lives in Abuja actually, and she hasn't visited Port Harcourt in a while. So I decided I was going to give her a treat with the most popular Port Harcourt delicacy, aka bole and fish. We are going to the hub of bole and fish that is closer to me. This is in Stadium Road. I'm just going to take her there for lunch, and we'll just have a good time. If you don't know what bole and fish is roasted plantain, either ripe, half ripe, or unripe, and then they serve it with ice fish, I think, yeah, ice fish, roasted ice fish with pepper sauce. It's really nice. And then if you want, you can throw in roasted yam or roasted potato, whatever is rocking your boat at the time. So I am going there now. I'm going to pick her up first, and then we'll head to the place. You guys come with us. Hi, my name is Chantel. If you just see me for the first time, let me do a quick OOTD. I'm blonde today again because, I mean, why not? I've had this wig for the longest time. I even showed a video where I dyed it. I was the one that dyed it this color, like DIY. I did such a good job. There are no patches anywhere. It looks really, really good, if I should say so myself. Yes, I'm tooting my horn. And for outfit, I have on this denim dress. It's an old dress from ASOS. I've had it for the longest time, but I barely wear it. It's belted and it just cinches my waist. And then it has this button details on the side, and underneath I'm wearing a bodysuit from Shein. On my feet I have on these brown slippers from Zara. This is very popular. Everybody that knows Zara knows the slippers. So yeah, just pretty simple, and I'm about to hit the road. Let's go, people. Happy my Maserati, baby girl. Yo, hi.
This is my Limor's cut.
You're wearing bodysuit too. Did we plan it? You don't have respect.
With
You trouser.
Where are we going?
Let's go and do ball and fish before you go back to Abuja. You go to that Stadium Road.
Okay, I beg.
Okay, Ayana, put the go.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah.
But this time, our things they high.
Why on our things they high? Yeah, give us.
No better spot.
No, that is expensive. Enough. Yeah, give us bole.
Which of them? How many?
Which one be 300?
300.
Who's the 300 one? Ripe one. I like this one. Yes. Yeah, fish, how much?
Fish. 2.5.
No, I don't want.
1,000. 1.5. 500.
Put it 500 now. Abi? 1,500.
1,000.
1,000. What do you think? Yeah, keep it extra.
Really sharp. They call Jesus.
You don't get sale for this.
No. Don't give us. That is coming from the head.
You point. Anyone you point at. You want tail?
What about tail? That tail.
Yeah.
No, that
This
tail.
tail.
No, see that tail.
This one.
Yes. How much?
1,500.
Put this 1,000 tail. Abi? You don't have anyone inside. Or don't drive. Then yeah, put 2 yeah. So will you subscribe to my channel?
I'll do just that. Chantel, I am. Right?
Yes, CHANTEL. So we're sitting
There's
down.
no underscore.
No, just Chantel, I am. So we're waiting for our food. This is where you sit to wait for your food. Hey. Oh my goodness. Can't wait for the bullet to come. Oh, I should have told them not to mix the stew. No, I tell them. Let them put it separately. Let them not put those leaves too. Or those, do you like those leaves? And let them not put, so the oil, they should put it separate from the bole and the yam and the fish.
He wouldn't do it, but he just felt let him just he felt disrespected, so that he wanted to show.
No.
No, now this tea is not enough. Now.
At all.
We they see this too now. Nobody else go chop am. Sometimes is this how you wanted it?
I will put stew for us. Thank you. Careful. Thank you.
Have free. If it's free, you can say.
No go wash her.
Forget that they brought.
Hey, wait.
Yesterday when I was in Abuja, I tried to. When I was washing, making water, I had to remove it to rinse. I was telling me that. What was you now? Inside, they were driving. Now, because she felt I'm supposed to talk to this man, that woman in Romola, her thought is very it's about 1,000 times. I don't know why this person is selecting pepper. Oh, you put in. And you have put in a bowl. The other day,
That one wait.
I know your order now. Now people will say, oh, you have special order. 1.5 with 2 sausages, 1.7.
Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes.
Was it good?
Yeah, it was.
Did I give you a treat?
Huh.
Yo, see our plates.
Empty.
Empty. I'm so full. So from here, what's the time? Is it to 4? Yeah, I need to edit my thumbnail though, for my video. My thumbnail for my video. Away. For the video that will go up now, around 4. I think it will go up around 5 at this point. Oh yeah, let's be going. Where's the guy? Tell us how much.
Okay. There was one time I bought in Lagos at wait. I saw the thing here. It caught my attention. I loved it. A brown Fendi FF. I'm waiting. I've been sealed. And now took it to work. Tied it. Told she my end this started telling me. Man, and now she now started pulling my hair. And I told her, told she how much will I buy this thing? Leave her and say, how much will you buy? FE. Paying. Jesus, okay. Oh. Jesus.
And the way they write the F,
they will put it
to be in a bowl so you can dip your plantain.
And the sauce is not even geng.
No pepper. It's not spice.
Port Harcourt for this.
She came to Port Harcourt for this. She doesn't stay here.
This.
You don't just put plenty pepper. People request it. Make pepper deal.
So if we had said make pepper deal.
But it's about pepper. Now if they don't want, they should move to another place.
When you in Lagos,
No, she doesn't stay.
Here.
don't just
Okay, that makes sense.
What?
Alright, give me your account number. So 28, right?
Sorry about last time.
Next time, that
Apology
means you're going to
accepted.
It's no problem.
Okay, mark our faces.
I don't mark your face.
I'll mark your own too. Try to
Oh, you mark my own face, mark my name, Joy. Oh yeah, give me your account number. Let's go back to my cousins. I came to drop her. And then I'll just use this opportunity to do my thumbnail because my video is supposed to go up. It's supposed to have gone up, but yeah, I didn't make it on time. I'll just quickly do my thumbnail now and put up the video. The video is already uploaded, but I haven't published it. There's no lights. I thought there'll be light because they always have light here. My cousin's girl said they just took it as we were driving in, so I guess we missed that. Let me just do my thumbnail now and Amora and Alina. Did you come and say hi to me? Did you hug me? Did you hug me? Oh. Oh. Hi, how are you? Fine. Your hair is fine. So thank you. Who gave you chewing gum?
Nobody.
What are you eating?
Oh, only peanuts.
Oh, peanuts. Give me now.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. I take mama.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Let me take two. Thank you.
You're taking the way.
I'm taking the rest. Come on, give me a hug, Alina.
Wow.
Hi, my love.
Your calculator is very shiny.
My laptop, not my calculator.
But do you know Becky?
Who is Becky?
Becky is Marvelous friend.
Marvelous friend. I don't know how. Is she in your school?
No.
In your former house?
No, she in this house, in that straight house.
I don't know how.
We need to play with her.
Ah, okay. When she comes again now, you tell her that your auntie is here, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Auntie Amanda does not know Becky. And video is up. Yay. Yeah. It's up. I'll just chill here for a bit, respond to comments, and then go home when traffic subsides because it's close of work time. This is 4:45, right? Yeah, 4:45. So people should start leaving the office, and it will be so cramped up on the road. So I will just wait till like 6ish, then go back home. Talk to you all later. I'm back home. It is almost 7 o'clock, and I just got in. I'm going to call this vlog done right now because there's nothing else to add, at least for today. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, comment and share. Yeah, that's it. Let me go and shower now and just chill. I really don't have much to do again. Call it a day, basically. So my darlings, I will see you on Sunday. We're probably going to have a live on Sunday. I'll let you all know in my community. Watch out for my community post to let you know if I'm doing that. I have a games night on Sunday. I don't know if it's going to work, so let me see how that pans out. But I'll let you all know before Saturday or this Friday evening, actually. Bye. I'll see Sean is here.
I don't need
Bye,
convincing
guys.
at all because I know what I want.